Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we will explore SoundHound AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 27th of June, 2025, and we are back to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of June, 2025, our system has classified SoundHound AI as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.23. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 2.72%. This equates to an average return of 0.91% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a further rise is likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 20.08% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 10.9% to 56.3%. When we consider the longer term, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 34.63%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 19.96% to 280.61% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would place the future price between $11.79 and $37.41. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline "Red Day on Friday for SoundHound AI Inc. stock after losing 0.91%. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock price fell by 0.91% on the last day, which was Friday, the 27th of June, 2025. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 6.91%, with a day low at $9.62 and a day high of $10.29. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, resulting in a 3.8% gain over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock, which is actually a positive indicator, as volume should generally follow the stock's movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 2 million shares, with a total of 34 million shares traded for approximately $336.64 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $24.98, while the lowest was $3.82. Currently, the price is 60.65%, or $15.15, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI Incorporated, symbol SOUN, has garnered significant attention recently, reflecting a dynamic stock landscape. As of today, the 27th of June, 2025, the company is making strides particularly in the automotive voice AI segment. This area is gaining traction as original equipment manufacturers, or OEMs, increasingly seek custom voice platforms, enhancing SoundHound's market pipeline. Moreover, the broader narrative of voice AI technology adds a crucial dimension to artificial intelligence applications, likely opening up new revenue streams for SoundHound. Despite these advancements, the stock has faced a notable decline, down approximately 52% in 2025, raising concerns among investors. While some analysts suggest this could represent a buying opportunity, caution is warranted given the stock's previous meteoric rise of over 1,024% in 2024, which has left behind concerns about sustainability and growth potential. In the competitive landscape against players like Cerence and Big Bear AI, SoundHound's ability to scale its offerings beyond the automotive sector will be critical. The current investor sentiment appears mixed, with some viewing this as a promising entry point in a long-term investment strategy within the thriving AI sector. Short-term fluctuations may persist due to market volatility and macroeconomic factors, but the long-term outlook could improve significantly if SoundHound successfully capitalizes on its voice commerce capabilities and expands its client portfolio. Investors will be closely monitoring how these developments unfold in the coming quarters. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Additionally, on Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, H.C. Wainwright also assigned SOUN a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald assigned SOUN an overweight rating with an upgrade recommendation. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the short-term development. The stock of SoundHound AI Inc. currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal, as the long-term average is above the short-term average. This indicates a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $10.03. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $9.66. A break above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will create an additional sell signal, further reinforcing the overall trend. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, May 14, 2025, and the stock has since fallen by 16.41%. Indicators suggest further declines until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 31 days ago. The short-term moving average revealed a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages demonstrated a buy signal 13 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart, we note the short moving average indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 93 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 79 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $9.74. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with substantial trading volume, the risk level is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 665 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, which is 6.91%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated a daily average volatility of 6.97%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 0.06. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $11.01. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, This could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI encounters its first support level at $9.74. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 24th of June 2025, SROK Diana conducted an insider sell of 2,800 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of June 2025, Mohajer Kayvon executed an insider buy of 240,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of June 2025, Mohajer Kayvon also conducted an insider sell of 122,712 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Mohajer Kayvon conducted another insider sell of 131,664 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of June 2025, Imami Majid conducted an insider buy of 80,000 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 23.753. Overall, insiders purchased 4,791,868 shares and sold 6,912,481 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative assessment for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Incorporated shows several negative indicators, suggesting that its performance may remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 30th of June, we anticipate that SoundHound AI will open higher by approximately 8 cents, starting at $9.91. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us at Stock Invest.